rubber hose on the petcock so that it doesn't make too much of a mess. Let's see if it helps us.
There you go.
Once I take the radiator cap off, it'll leak a little quicker.
We highly recommend changing out these hoses because this job's a little bit of a pain and you're in here anyway, and the hoses aren't that expensive, right, Steve?
Nope. We got our hose pick tool. Run this around here. Already done a thermostat and gasket on this. At some point, change the antifreeze, so I'm trying to save the antifreeze. Now, the new hose doesn't come with this sleeve on it. I'll transfer this over. Sleeve. Okay, get that one snug. Let's get this one on tight.
Tip sticking out of the radiator, there's actually a stop on there for the hose, so you want to go right up to that stop. Yep, right there, Steve. Which we are, and then you know you're all the way on there.
All right, looks like we are ready to fill the coolant.
Okay, so right now we're refilling the radiator. We threw a bunch in the radiator, kind of topped off the overflow right here. We're gonna let it run, get up the temp, check for leaks, and that's about it, guys.